The Ghost in the Machine: How to Rank in the Age of AI Search. Traditional SEO is a ghost town. In 2026, AI overviews provide the answer before the user clicks. If your content isn't being cited by ChatGPT and Perplexity, you don't exist. Here is how to become an AI citation. The blue link is dead. We have officially entered the era of zero-click dominance, where AI models aggregate the web's knowledge into a single, definitive, conversational response. Search engines are no longer libraries where you browse shelves. They are expert consultants that read the books for you and deliver the summary in seconds flat. For businesses, this is the great disruption. If you are not part of the AI's training set or its real-time retrieval, your digital footprint simply vanishes forever. We are shifting from search engine optimization to answer engine optimization. To survive, you must stop ranking for keywords and start ranking for the AI's internal trust metrics. Think of a classical search engine as a postal worker delivering mail. The AI engine is the executive assistant who decides which mail is even worth reading. To become the AI citation, you need to master digital resilience. This isn't just marketing, it is a fundamental shift in how we protect our brand's digital authority. The first pillar is Schema Markup 2.0. This is the hidden language of machines, providing structured data that tells AI agents exactly who you are and what you do. By implementing resilient infrastructures, you ensure that AI crawlers from Hugging Face or Microsoft can parse your data without friction, identifying you as a primary credible source. But technical SEO is only the foundation. The real battle is for the experience signal. In a world of AI-generated slop, human-verified expertise is the new gold. AI models are trained to look for digital trust. They prioritize content that shows a clear lineage of authority, protecting critical brand assets from being replaced by bots. This is where YouTube emerges as the world's most powerful discovery engine. Video provides a multimodal signal that text alone cannot replicate in the current digital landscape. When you speak on camera, you provide biometric and tonal data that proves proof of human. AI agents use these video transcripts to verify your unique expertise. The experience signal is your shield. It tells the algorithm, this isn't a recycled LLM output, this is a strategic insight from a real-world industrial-scale implementation expert. Let's look at the trajectory toward the singularity. As technology becomes exponential, the window to claim your territory in the global knowledge graph is closing faster than ever. If you are a CEO or entrepreneur, your goal is to optimize operations so that your brand becomes the default answer for every sector-specific growth opportunity identified. Imagine your website as a single book in a dark room. A traditional searcher needs a flashlight to find it. An AI is the room's light switch. When the light turns on, the AI sees everything. If your content is unstructured or low value, the AI simply ignores you and looks at your more organized competitor. You must cultivate a culture of innovation within your content team. Stop writing for Google and start training the models that will eventually replace the Google interface. Use technical demystification to your advantage. Explain the how and why of your industry with such clarity that Hugging Face papers would cite your real-world case studies. We are seeing a massive shift in architectural shifts within search. Deep learning models are now analyzing the human potential behind the content, not just the keywords used. To win, you must provide high-level data. Safeguard your operational integrity by ensuring every piece of content you release is factually dense and impossible for AI to hallucinate. Protecting your digital realm means fortifying your brand against AI Erasure. This happens when an AI gives your answer but forgets to mention your name or link. Avoid erasure by becoming the source. When you provide the primary research or the disruptive startup insight, the AI is forced to credit your unique intellectual property. Think of the AI search ecosystem as a massive neural network. Your content needs to be the strongest synapse, the path of least resistance for the model's logical conclusion. Strategic insights from MIT Sloan suggest that redefining business models for 2026 requires an AI-first communication strategy. You aren't just selling products, you are selling verified data. Industrial-scale AI implementation means your data must be machine-readable. If an AI can't digest your site in milliseconds, you are essentially invisible to the modern user. The urgency cannot be overstated. We are witnessing the most significant architectural shift in the history of information retrieval. The old playbooks are now actively harmful to growth. Don't fear the machine, feed it. Provide the high-fidelity signals that AI agents crave, structured data, video-first expertise, and deep-dive technical analysis that enhances human understanding. Security and trust are the new SEO. By following IT best practices and maintaining data safeguarding, you build the digital trust that AI models use to rank credibility. A classical computer is a librarian looking at one book at a time. A quantum-level AI search is the entire library being understood at once. Be the book. The transition from the threat of AI taking your traffic to the opportunity of AI becoming your primary salesperson is the defining challenge of this decade. Every video you post, every schema-heavy article you publish, is a brick in your digital fortification. You are building a fortress of authority that AI cannot ignore. Focus 60% of your energy on the vanguard of AI trends. If you aren't tracking the trajectory toward the singularity, you are planning for a world that's ending. Spend 20% on digital transformation. This is the mastering phase where you optimize your operations to be natively compatible with the newest AI-driven discovery engines. The final 20% must go to cybersecurity and trust. Without operational integrity, any authority you build can be wiped out by a single data breach or trust failure. Remember, in 2026, the user doesn't want to search. They want to know. If you are the knowledge, you own the relationship, regardless of the platform used. We are moving toward a world where discovery happens in the background, powered by agents that know the user's needs before the user even articulates the question. To stay relevant, your content must be the ground truth. Be the data point that the AI uses to correct other, less reliable sources of information. This is the vanguard. This is the new frontier. The tools are changing, but the goal remains the same: to be the most trusted voice in the room. Analyze the shifts. Implement the resilient infrastructures. Cultivate the culture of innovation. The future belongs to those who speak the language of the machines and humans. You now have the framework to turn the threat of AI search into your greatest strategic advantage. The era of the AI citation has officially begun. The world is no longer clicking, it is listening. Make sure your brand is the answer the AI is whispering into the ear of your next major client. Don't just witness the future, lead it. Subscribe to the channel and turn information into power. Knowledge is your greatest asset. Channel powered by generative AI architecture.